Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Reels privacy on Facebook. First thing is open up your Facebook app, then you tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then you tap on settings. Now before you get here, you have to tap on settings and privacy. So after profile icon, then you tap on settings and privacy first of all, then you tap on settings. After that, you scroll down until you see Reels, then you tap on Reels, and now you can set your privacy or change your privacy for Reels. So you can turn this off if you like, and turn this off. Who can see your Reels? You can make it private or make it only your friends, or hide it from some certain friends. It's as simple as that. So if you allow anyone to make your future public Reels, you put this on. You want to allow, you don't want to allow anybody to share your Reels to their story, then you leave this turned off. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change Reels privacy on Facebook. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.